we're going to teach you how to make expressive buffalo art. Like this. Step 1. We're going to open our canvases. Decide what color your buffalo is going to be. You have to paint your whole canvas that color. Start it. I'm choosing green. I'm choosing blue. Whoa. Now let's just start painting. Good artists paint the sides of their canvas. So let's do it because we're good artists too. Hold one of the sides so you can so it doesn't tilt while you paint it. You might have to get a little dirty. It's okay though. With your hands. Everyone gets dirty painting. Yep. That's what artists do. This green is looking like money. The cool thing about Buffalo Harbor State Park is the playground. Awesome playground. That's amazing! Let's go home and finish those buffaloes. Hey guys, we're back and we're gonna work more on our buffalo layer project. It might take a while in real time, but when you're watching this video, it will probably be done in a couple minutes, I guess. So let's get started. Now we're gonna trace our buffalo with a Sharpie or whatever you want. Pencil, Sharpie, whatever. Okay, let's get tracing. That's the framework of our beginning of our painting. My dad just started this one, and he's on the third layer, so it's gonna take a while. So this is kind of like the beginning of what he did. Create your own. People who want challenges don't copy, and they get their self the colors that they want, and that's how you make your life fun and happy. Okay, pick 3 of colors. I choose blue, blue, and then silver. These are 2 different blues. Okay, so you want to line them up like this. Kind of like that. This blue, I can't control. No worries. That's good, right? I guess. Be really careful close to the buffalo. If you make a mistake, no big deal. We're doing this thing in layers. And remember, remember to paint the sides. Don't be a lazy person. Sometimes when you get expressive, you sometimes get a little dirty. Yeah. I might need to wash my hands. Hey guys, we're at Presque RV Resort, and we're gonna finish our buffaloes. Let's do this. Next step. I'm feeling blue today, but not sad blue. We're gonna use this palette knife to paint inside our buffalo. Let's do this. Just about finished for now. Come back to this later. We're at a cabin, if you don't know, still. And we are gonna go to the beach. That looks nice. Hey guys, we're on the last layer of our buffalo project. Have you ever heard of the clapper? Clapper's really cool. Let's go finish our project. We're just gonna touch up a few areas. Man, we're almost done. This project's been awesome. So let's finish it up right now. What do you think of those? These are called spider dogs. Let's see them! Mustard. Ketchup. Yum. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this.
This is our second video eating hot dogs.
Where are we? At the hot dog Buffalo Club? Presque is awesome.
This is our last day, but we're stopping at the beach before we leave. And then we're gonna pack up and go home.
Let us know how you think the Buffalo project came out.
In the comment below.
Hope you have a nice
Wild day.
See you later. And remember to stay wild and eat tons of hot dogs.
Guys, we're back in Buffalo, and we just wanted to show you our art projects. They're finished. It's supposed to be spring. Can you believe the snow? From the beach to the snow. And that's why we love Buffalo.